Hey there YouTube! Welcome back to German Car Chronicles channel. Are you tired of feeling helpless when you get a flat tire? Well, worry no more. In this video, we'll show you how to change a flat tire in under 4 minutes. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you're in a safe location away from traffic. Turn off the engine and engage the parking brake. Now let's put on our hazard lights to alert other drivers. You'll need the following tools: a lug wrench or tire iron, a spare tire, and a car jack. Make sure you have these items in your car at all times. Before you jack up the car, loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire with your lug wrench. Turn them counterclockwise until they're loose, but don't remove them yet. Now it's time to jack up the car. Position the jack under the car's frame and raise it until the flat tire is off the ground. Make sure the jack is stable and sturdy. Now that the car is raised, you can remove the lug nuts and flat tire. Place the lug nuts in a safe location where they won't get lost. Place the spare tire onto the wheel hub and hand tighten the lug nuts. Make sure the tire is properly seated and centered. Alright, now let's go ahead and lower the car to the ground. Once that's done, grab your lug wrench and tighten those lug nuts in a star pattern. You want to make sure they're snug, but hey, don't over-tighten them. Finally, it's time to check the tire pressure of your spare tire. Make sure it's at the recommended level, which you can usually find on the tire sidewall or in your car's owner's manual. And that's it. Changing a flat tire is actually easier than you might think. Just remember to always refer to your car's owner's manual for specific instructions on how to change a flat tire for your particular vehicle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. And hey, don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.